Puppet Monkey here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a laser shoot with Lego stop motion animation. So let me just prop my camera up. Let's see. I'm going to get a guy. So let's just use this guy right here. So just gonna use a regular clone trooper. So this is how you do it. So I'm gonna show you two ways to do it. So just take a couple pictures and then move. Then you're gonna move his arm up a little bit, or their arm up. Oh, also, I'm just gonna show you how to what it look like if it was shooting a normal gun, like not a laser gun. So this is what it looks like so far. It's just bringing his arm up, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take, so right here I have a box of like stuff for shooting lasers and stuff, sort of. So actually, I'm going to move it. Here we go. So in the neck for shooting lasers, so sure, and then you're just gonna get one of whatever color laser you're using. Just get that color cone, transparent cone of that color. I'm using red, and then you just put. It's not going on. Just hold on a second. So, well, okay, I got it on. Never mind. So, when you get it on, you're gonna take a picture, and then you're gonna take a laser shooter from, like, you know, or so I have, or just a transparent pole of the color laser. And then once you take that picture, then you put it on the end like that. And then you take a picture. And then if you want, you can move the thing up a little, move the gun up a little when he shoots and when they shoot. And then next so you can just use your hands, but it kind of looks blurry. You can hold it to the side, or you can use something to prop it up like this. And then here, let me get it. I just use clay. Let's see here. So I just use Play-Doh, sort of. Sometimes I use Play-Doh. I don't know why. I just feel like it. And then you can just put it on a pole with some Play-Doh like that. And then you can just put it there, so it's so part of it's on the screen, part of it's not. I'm going to make that a little lower. There we go. Okay, so that is, okay, so there we go. Then take a picture. So that actually does look a little bad. Let's see. So as you can see, so this picture is aiming that way, and then it's that way. So I'm going to delete that picture, and then so I'm going to slant it up a little bit, and maybe actually put it a little higher. There we go. There we go. So that should, there we go. That's good. And then take a picture and see how that looks. Alright, so that looks good. That looks good enough. And then next, you can either put like a little bit, I'm going to do like a tiny bit in screen, and then this a little bit up so it looks like realistic, you know, when they shoot it, it kind of goes up. That, and then the laser off screen, and then this starts to go down. So, it should look, this is my version, looks like. Okay. I use manual, definitely use manual. And then, oh, where is it? Oh, yeah. I do 11 or 12 frames per second. I usually do 2, so I think it looks good like that. If you're kind of just starting stop motion animation with Legos, I would recommend you using 10 to 12 frames per second, and once you get better, then you use 15 frames per second. You just need, that's what I do. I'm kind of new, so yeah. So this is the first, that was the first method. Oh, you can see the Play-Doh things in the way. So, yeah. And then, let's see. So, I'm just gonna, yeah. Okay, so now it's not focusing. Shoot. There we go. This is the second way. So, this is the second way to do a laser. So, let's say I was doing orange now. You can, so what you could do, you just take one of these, the color of a laser, and then these little transparent plate things, and yeah. If your gun on the end, it's so that you can put them on like this, then great. If you can't, then if you can't put it on the end, use sticky tack or any kind of clay or something to keep it on anything you want. So to do it, you just put it on. I'm gonna do a rapid fire one. So take a picture. This is rapid fire. Take it off. Take a picture. Put it on again. I'm gonna do 4 shots. So that's 2. Three. And 4. So I'm just going to play from the beginning and show you what it looks like. So that's the first one. And this is the second one. There you go. See how it looks. think it looks cool. That is the second way. That is also the way that, well, actually no, that was the normal gun, like not the laser gun way, because it's kind of like fire, you know. And it, or for the normal gun, you can use an orange one of these and just do that, and then take it off, you know. Sorry, that was the second laser way. I messed up. So the second laser way is basically just using this and then another one of these instead of one of these. So that's really all it is. I'll just do an example. Okay, so then put it on the picture. Then you might have to use clay because, so I'm going to use clay to keep this on. So I just put it in there. There you go. There you go. And then take a picture. And then you just do the same thing and put it over here. There you go. Let's see how that looks. So these are the three ones. That, and that. So yeah. So that is actually all for today. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. And yeah, so bye.